everyone, welcome back again. Today we will start with a new topic, that is money. In this lesson we will talk about how to convert dollars into cents and then cents into dollars, and then how to write the amount in figure and words, and then we will learn how to order the amount of money, and then lastly we will learn how to round off the amount of money to the nearest dollars. Before we go into this, we will first let's try to understand what is the money. Money is a way to exchange one thing for something else. We use money for buying and selling things. It is expressed in terms of rupees and pies in Indian currency and in American currency as dollars and cents. So in these lessons we will talk about the American currency, that is dollars and cents. Know that $1 is equal 100 cents. And for the dollar sign we write as S, and then we draw a line through S. So that's the dollar sign. So $1 is equal to 100 cents. So $2 will be equal to 200 cents. Done? And then we usually express a price of a thing in both dollars and cents. For example, the price of a chocolate is $25.50. So instead of writing $25.50, we use a dot in between, that is $25.50. We use a dot to separate this dollars and cents amount. So instead of writing dollars amount separately and cents amount separately, we can use a point in between to separate the dollars and the cents amount. Know that this point separates the dollar and the cent amount. So to the left will be for the dollars amount and to the right is for the cents amount. Know that when you're using this point to separate the dollars and cents amount, we don't write here cents. We don't write. When we are writing this dollars and cents amount separated like this, that time we can use this word cents. But when you're using this point, there won't be any cents. Alright? Now let's learn how to convert dollars into cents. Now here, when we convert dollars into cents amount, know that we have to multiply by 100. And for some time you will find the dollars amount and the cents amount. So when there is dollars and cents amount, that time what we have to do is we will simply remove the point. For example, we have $2 here, just a dollars. So when we change or when we convert from dollars to cents amount to cents, what we have to do is we will multiply it by 100. So that's make 100 cents. That is 2 into 100 cents. We're changing this dollars to cents amount, so we multiply by 100. So 2 into 100, that's make 200 cents. Know that when we are changing from dollar to cents amount, multiply it by 100. So $2 is 200 cents. Now we have here is, we have a point in between. So this point tells that it has separated the dollars amount and the cents amount. So when you come across a questions like the dollars and the cents amount together, in that case what you have to do is, instead of multiplying with 100 cents, what you have to do is you just remove the point. So that's make 360 cents. Since we are changing into cents, so there will be no more dollars over here. We are changing into cents, so remove the point and then write whatever the number is. So that's your answers. So that's how we convert the dollars into cents, by multiplying by 100, and then dollars and cents into cents. What we have to do is remove the point. Now we will learn how to convert the cents amount into dollars and cents. We have done for the dollars into cents. Now we will learn how to convert the cents amount into dollars and cents. Now here, to convert into dollars and cents from cents amount, what we have to do is we just count two numbers from the right and then put a point. So we have the number 593. So you count two numbers from the right, 1, 2, and then put a point. And then write dollar sign in front. So that's the answers. So that's how we convert from cents to dollars and cents. Know that to convert, that is to change from cents amount to dollars and cents, what you have to do is count two numbers from the right and then put a point. Done? Now we will go next, that is how to write in words and figure. Now we will go to the next one, that is how to write the amount in words and figure. Here we have an example. The amount here is given $4.50. So how do we change in words? Now we know that this point separates the amount in the dollars and cents, right? So for the dollars is 4, so we write 4 F-O-U-R, $4. And the next we have the cents amount, so we write N. The cents amount is 50, so we write F-I-F-T-Y, 50 cents. So that's how we write in words. And the next one is for $0.09. Here, after the point, what we see is the amount is written as 09, so 09 will be counted as 9 only. So how do we write? For the dollar is 0, so we write $0. And for the cent amount is 9, so we write 9 cents. Done? Now let's go to the figure. How do we write in figure? Now here questions is given in words. We will change into figure. Here it says $10.05. So what do we write is in figure? We will put for the figure first draw the dollar sign, and then for dollar, how many dollars we have here? $10. So we write 10. And for the cents amount, what we have to do is we put a point, and then it says 5 cents. So we're going to write 0.5. It says 5 cents. So if you make a mistake of writing right after the point, if you write as 5, that will be wrong. Know that after the decimal, there has to be 2 digits. Now here it says 5 cents, and if you write right after the point, if you write 5, that means it will be counted as 50. Because after the point, there has to be 2 digits. So if you have written as 5, so for the next digit, since nothing is there, so we will take it as 0. So that makes 50, which is wrong. It says 5 cents. So for 5 cents, what you have to do is first put the 0 and then write 5. So that's make 0.5 will be counted as 5 cents. Now we will go to the next one. Now let's try the next question. That is, it says order the amount of money from the smallest amount to the largest amount here. So here the amounts are given. That is, the first one is 300 cents, $30, 334 cents, and then lastly we have $34.30. So we're going to arrange this amount of money from the smallest to the largest. So let's find out which one is the smallest amount. Here 300 cents, when we convert it into dollars, it will be counted as 300 cents will be counted as $3. And then $30, and then here we have another cents amount, that is 334 cents amount. To change into dollars, what we have learned is we count the numbers, that is 2 numbers from the back, and then put a point, right? So that will be counted as $3.34, right? So when we look at all this amount, we find that 300 cents, that is $3 is the smallest amount. So we write here 300 cents. So this one is done. And the second one, which one is the smallest? This one is for $30. This is $3.34, and this is $34.30. That means this is smaller. So we will write this amount here, 334 cents. That will be read as $3.34, right? $3, and the next one is $3.34, and next one will come this one. This one is done. Now the third one will be $30. So $30 is less than this $34, so we're going to write here $30. And then last one will be this one. That is the largest amount, that is $34.30. So that's how we arrange the amount from the smallest to the largest. Now let's go to this last part. That is, it says round this amount to the nearest dollars. Now here the amount is given. What we have to do is we have to round this amount of money to the nearest dollar. So how do we round up this amount? What we have to do is we have to look at the cents amount here. Always look at the cents amount, see, compare it whether your cents amount is less than 50 or more than 50. If it is less than 50, your dollars amount, which is on the left, will remain the same. That is, $45 will remain as $45. Why? Because the cents amount is less than 50. Now we have changed to the dollars amount. And now next one is $23.57. So when we look, how do we round up? We have to look at the cents amount, right? Now here your cents amount is more than 50, that is 57. So if your cents amount is more than 50, that means what we have to do is your dollars amount will increase by 1. That is 23. If you increase it by 1, that's make $24. So know that you have to look at the cents amount, see whether it's more than 50 or less than 50. If it is more, your dollars amount will increase by 1. If it is less, your dollars amount will remain the same. So that's how we round up the amount to the nearest dollars. So that's all for today. See you again in the next video.